Individuals with ADHD often struggle with executive function, making daily tasks and activities more challenging. Executive function refers to the mental skills that help us manage time, pay attention, switch focus, plan and organize, remember details, and avoid impulsive actions. While medications and therapy are often part of the treatment plan for ADHD, research suggests that regular exercise can play a pivotal role in reshaping the ADHD brain and enhancing executive function. Exercise has been shown to boost the production of neurotransmitters such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter often referred to as the feel-good chemical, plays a particularly crucial role in motivation, reward, and mood regulation. By promoting the release of dopamine, physical exercise contributes to enhanced mood and improved cognitive function. The benefits of exercise include enhanced focus and attention, improved memory and learning, and reduced impulsivity. How can you make exercise a regular part of your life? Make it fun. Engage in the types of exercise you enjoy. Make it social. Social interactions also trigger dopamine release, fostering a sense of reward and reinforcement. Establish a daily exercise routine to ensure you continue to experience these positive effects. Exercise works best to manage ADHD symptoms when you combine it with medication, therapy, and coaching. As part of a holistic approach to managing ADHD symptoms, daily exercise holds immense potential for enhancing your brain function and unlocking your full potential throughout your life. Call the Edge Foundation today to see what coaching can do for you.